So we need to send this property to the request. Okay, here I need to parameterize this one. So just you need to right click on that. Okay, and there is a get data. So see that as we created the properties, we have created the property like project level and test suite level and test case level. So if you see that, if you see right click on here, you can able to display those properties. This is a project. So this blue icon with this society project. The rest project, give a name, country, code information. So you can create or already the defined property. The property of bracket, the square bracket, admin user. So that what is admin user? I will show you that here. So this is very important here. The custom property, so the name is displaying. Value will not be displayed. Name will be displayed. And from the suite level what we have done is suite level. Suite level is super user and the value is super. And test case level is we have done that user and demo. So right click on here. So those value will be displayed here. So project level admin user is there, and test suite level super user variable is there, and test case level username is there, and you can add this levels also. So here I will set this like to test case level, and I'm choosing this one. Test case of bracket, and create a property of username property I'm selecting. Suppose you have lot of, you can add more. Here the display, the hierarchy, the drop down will display how many properties are available particular test case. Those many properties will display here. Okay. If suppose for the test case level 5 properties, all the drop down list will be coming here. The 5 properties. Right now we have only that one value is displayed. Set it 1. So automatically the syntax will come. So if you remember the syntax, you no need to do that right click get data. So syntax will tell us dollar curly braces and hash. And here also I will give that on how to remember this particular stuff without creating like right click shortcuts. So here dollar symbol, the reference variable, and the curly braces will start after dollar, and the hash is mentioning after hash it is a test case, and it will tell us the references of test case, and this is the reference of test case in property username. Okay. Suppose if I don't want test case level property, I want test suite level suite level property. So select the test suite and go to the select the super user property. So you can see that the change will come here. So this is like test case level, and this is like test suite level. See, after dollar symbol curly bracket, and you can see that instead of test case, we got a test suite. So by saying that, and by declaring that, you can see that this property is related to test suite. And the same thing, you can delete this one and make the add project level. You can see that project level hash admin property. Syntax project level. Okay. So see hash of project, and that means define the property the test case input as take from that admin user. Okay. Suppose if I run that, I'll keep this admin project level admin user. So I'll run script and I'll see the response. So project level admin user, what is the value? What is the value? Yeah, admin. So this request will take username is admin, but our URL actual valid case user is demo. So let's see that we can drive from invalid test case. So just I'll run the test case. Test case level run. Just you need to select level, click on that. You can right hand side you will display the test case window. There is a run button. You can see run this test. So you got that response. So our test case has been passed. Finish means completed, but no error. And whether we'll check this one particular response. So here we got status is first we go to the raw data. We got 200. That means the response we got, but message will tell us the user account is not enabled for this free website. Please please enable your user account by using some URL. That means the request is forwarded to the service, and the service send back the response, but we use that invalid user. So that's the reason we did not get any proper response. We got the response, but what exactly we are expecting responses we did not get. Okay, so this is one of the negative case. So we have to validate. If you give the invalid input, so what is the response we are coming? So we got the 200 response, and again we got the we need to validate this message. If you provide this invalid user, so the status message we need to accept. We need the checkpoint verification. User account is not enabled for this user. Okay. Yeah, this is an invalid value, not a incorrect value, incorrect test case. It is an invalid input. So now I'll make a formal one like exactly demo user in the test case level, and see I'll run again entire test case. So this test case has two steps. One is the test case precondition and the request. The test case precondition has all the initialization of test case level and test root level and project level, and we said that properties called setting a property of username, test case level, and setting a property of test suite level, and we have said that test properties to the project level. So see the response, click on the request window. You can see that we got the response, okay, and we got the XML as data view of country code to associate it to the particular user. Okay. Yeah. So just to compare and raw data, we got a proper one and we went fine. So any doubts up to here, Rush? Yeah. No. Only one username we need to add. Different value means you need to go for parameter. That Excel. data source. So do one thing, Firaj. Initially, you can go like single